I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling where to look: local archives, university libraries, municipal records, and community organizations. Collect 5-10 potential sources and jot contact details and hours. Next, prepare a tight keyword list. Include local place names, date ranges, institutions, and subject terms. Once done, check access restrictions and request procedures. Make appointments if needed. This focused prep saves time and ensures you reach the right shelves, indexes, and staff who can point you to relevant. You now dig into catalogs, finding aids, local databases, and microfilm indexes. Start broad with titles and abstracts, then narrow by date and place. When you find a lead, record full citations, archive ID, and capture photos or typed notes so you don't lose context. Make sure to extract key quotes and summarize in 1-2 lines for each item. Once extracted, tag each item for relevance and add metadata: author, date, location, and how it connects to your topic. This keeps your local RRL organized and searchable. You finish by synthesizing. Group items into themes, chronology, or source types, and create a concise summary for each cluster. Cross-check important facts against at least 2 independent local records when possible to verify accuracy. Once verified, integrate key local findings into your review of related literature with clear citations. If something's missing, schedule follow-ups or request deeper files. Troubleshooting tip: if records seem inconsistent, return to original archival descriptions and ask staff for alternate identifiers or related boxes to resolve discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.